Well, I just got back up in the tree stand. Same spot again. But something has changed overnight. Came from being 60 last night, and then now it's 20 something. And look, I'll show you. Sleet. It's been sleeting all morning. It's about 12 o'clock. Now I'm hunting a rut right now. Got my grunt car, Primo's trophy grunter, and I got my Casco wide angle binoculars. They're good. Can you see something? They magnify stuff really good. So, maybe I can get me something. So yeah, probably won't get to hunt my other land until tomorrow if this sleet and snow won't. I'll just chill. Alright, I'll see y'all later.